अब घुम्न गइन्छ, walk around and give them present, not like we do different kind of puja havan.
पूजा हवन गरेरै लभ कन्फेस गरिन्छ र
I think that's it.
वाउ खतरा रहेछ त
होइन अब यसो अब
when you idolize love
भनिन्छ
you
नि
do
त
that when you are getting into a relation into formal relation you do that नि when raw express चाहिँ कसरी गर्छौ त
With words and actions, I guess.
with words and action okay प्रवीणले कसरी गर्छ रे घुम्न गइन्छ words and actions नै हो भन्नुस् त
म्याम घुम्नहरू गर अनि जो सहयोग गरेर थाहा हुन्छ नि त मान्छेलाई अब चाहिएको बेला
केयर गरेर हैन
हजुर
okay so Prince
Yes, ma'am. Respect.
you respect okay wow that's cool and respect मात्र गर्दा त आजकलको केटी पट्टिदैन त
It's not for them.
कुनै
For
कुनै
everyone.
कुनै बेलाको केटी पनि पट्टिदैन प्रिन्स come on open up
Being considerate, making her feel loved,
हेरै प्रजिनाले कति धेरै हिन्ट दिइरहेछ फिमेल भर्जनलाई
taking care of her basic needs.
By spending time with beloved.
Okay, by spending time with Sandesh?
Beloved.
Okay, wow. Spending time, giving space, wow. Others, please come on, add your opinion on this.
By singing for her.
By?
Singing for her.
Seeking, wow. Okay. Come on. Other opinion, please. Aida. Wow, that's good, eh? What is the symbolic meaning of rose?
Love.
Love.
Yes.
Symbol of love.
Yes, obviously red rose symbolize love. We always give a rose if we love someone, होइन? It's a kind of propose as well. Red rose day and propose हुन्छ हैन? Valentine's Day को अगाडि propose day के day भन्दाखेरि we used to give red rose to the person whom we love and white rose and all the colored rose to the person whom we care, हैन? So, what images in nature would you see to express love? Nature ko kun image is really concerned about expressing love, भन्नुस् त? Students?
Ma'am, what?
What images in nature would you use to express love? Love को कुन चाहिँ चीजहरुले चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ इमेजहरुले चाहिँ love लाई express गरेको जस्तो लाग्छ तपाईहरुलाई?
Peace.
Rose भयो
Rose एउटा अनि अरु
I'm two person sitting in the ground full of a flower looking in the sky.
Looking in the sky, moon हैन moon लाई पनि resemble गर्छ है गर्दैन nature भनेको moon पनि त हो नि अनि त्यसपछि nature भनेको we can go for the river हैन we can go for the mountain तिनीहरुले नि love लाई resemble गर्छ कि गर्दैन the depth of the sky.
Yes, ma'am.
Samir, yes, you want to add something? Samir,
Purity of river.
Purity of?
River.
River, yes. There are lots of natural things that we use to resemble love, you know? Love like resemble gonna like. And why it is said Robert Bruce is a nature poet. That's why. Robert Burns, he was born in 1759 and he died in 1976, was Scottish poet and lyricist. He is considered the national poet of Scotland and a central figure in Scottish literature. His father was a tenant farmer and Burns worked as a ploughboy, right? It was a struggle in life. He grew up poor but well bred and began writing poetry in Scottish dialect. As an adult, he was as unsuccessful as his father in making a living at farming. Father जस्तै उसले फार्म गरेर चाहिँ राम्रोसँग जीवन उपार्जन गर्न सकेन. Okay, in 1791, however, he quit farming for good and moved his family to the nearby town of Dumfries. Never in good health, on the morning of July 21, 1796, he died in Dumfries at the age of 37. At the age of 37, he is best known as a pioneer of romantic moment for his lyrical poetry. Romanticism भनेको चाहिँ 18th century को writing हो हैन. He is best for that. Romantic moment भनेको चाहिँ it's not a love को वाला romantic moment, but romantic moment भनेको चाहिँ love for nature लाई पनि indicate गर्न सकिन्छ है. Lyrical ballad through he is initiating the romantic moment in his writing भन्दैछ है. So moving on, what about the poem? The poem or Red Red Rose is a lyrical ballad. What is a ballad? What is a ballad? भन्नुस् त. मैले अस्ति ballad को बारेमा पनि भनेको थिएँ होला. Not ballad but ballad भनेको थिएँ. Didn't I tell you?
No.
So a ballad is a poem which does have a story, right? Ballad मा चाहिँ lyrical poem भन्छ, गीति नाटक भन्छ, गीति कथा भएको story भएकोलाई चाहिँ lyrical ballad भन्छ. Okay, ballad भनेको चाहिँ dance form भयो, BALLED ballad भनेको चाहिँ dance form भयो भने ballad भनेको चाहिँ narrative story. Okay, एउटा story भन्छ. यो A Red Red Rose is also a story है. Ani ballad that describes the speaker's deep love for his beloved and promises that this love will last longer than human life. Okay, so जिन्दगी भन्दा पनि मरेर पनि माया गरिरहन्छु भन्ने कन्सेप्टलाई चाहिँ एक्जेजरेट गरेको छ राइटिङ थ्रु चाहिँ. Okay, the beloved of the speaker is as beautiful as the red rose and as sweet as the music. With the help of the literary devices, the poet has sketched a very vivid and realistic picture of his profound love, the pious love. He is able to, within this 4 stanza, the writer Robert Burns is able to sketch the scenario of his love, the deep love that is strong in his heart towards his beloved. So, should we move towards the poem?
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
confusion till now?
No, ma'am.
And this indicates that the passionate feelings of the speaker towards his beloved is very strong, very passionate. Okay, very strong feelings. Like indicate, God, so my love is like a red, red rose leaf. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So did you go through the poem? I'll give you 2 minutes to go thoroughly through the poem. Sabbaiले poem पढ्नुस् त.
Ma'am, राम्रोसँग बुझिन poem.
I'll give you 2 minutes to go thoroughly through the poem. Did you get it? Did you understand properly? 2 minutes to go thoroughly through the poem, Maniko. Did you go through it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's okay. So when we go through it, you should be able to read the poem like this. Oh, my love is like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my love is like the melody that's sweetly played in tune. What does this first stanza resembles? Samir Dangal? Samir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the meaning of this first stanza for you?
Ma'am, the speaker wants to tell his beloved one that she is like red rose. She is so beautiful, and her love is like melody for him, so that he can enjoy in that melody and be peaceful with that melody. And he also tries to commit to her that she her love is like a medicine for him to cure his stress and disgrace. Yes, ma'am. That's it.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the first stanza, the poet is able to explain, the poet is able to compare and contrast his love with, compare his love towards his beloved with the red rose, that sprung in June, fresh, फुलेको फुल, okay, which is very fresh. बसन्त ऋतुमा कसरी फुल फक्रिँदाखेरि चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ त? The fresh red rose that is sprung, the beauty of that red rose is compared with the beauty of his beloved, and he is trying to express that his love is like a melody that is sweetly played in tune, है? त्यो मेलोडी, त्यो संगीत जसमा चाहिँ यति मधुर धुन हुन्छ, त्यो जस्तै तिम्रो माया, मेरो माया छ तिम्रो लागि, त्यो भर्खरै फक्रेको फुल जस्तै छ मेरो माया तिम्रो लागि. He is trying to express that. Okay, so with the help of a red rose, the writer is trying to create the visual imagery out here. Can we have the picture? Oh, my love is like a red rose. Means, can we picture the image of that red rose in our mind or not? Can we picture it or not, Panusta?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you open your camera now. Please open your camera. Sabli camera open Panusta. I didn't get any response from you. That's why. Please open your camera, all of you. Come on. So in the very first line, the writer is trying to compare and contrast his love with the melody of the song and the red rose. So we can have a sense, we can have an understanding that how beautiful the rose is and how melodious, how soothing the music is with its melody. Comparison in the very first stanza, you can find the comparison.